Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this global green pothos that I technically rescued from Walmart. I got it on clearance and that was like 2 days ago. So right now I am going to show you how I clean it up to eventually add it to my collection. It looks like it has thrips. I think, you know, it looks like it has thrips in my opinion, so I'm definitely gonna have to treat it, and I am going to be isolating this one from my collection until I'm sure it's clean, because it seems like it has a lot of thrips. You could see the leaves, like some of the leaves are damaged. Let me take it out of the bag, but it is very full and I got it for 50% off, so I am pretty excited about that. All right, so look at it. It's a lush and beautiful plant, and I got it for 50% off. See, $9.48, and that's the original price. All right, when I bought it, it was full of water as well, so I did throw off that water and have it dry out. See, it has healthy roots as well, so I'm not worried about that. How about root rot? So look how full it is. Like, I have to back up so you can really see it. So here I have my mixture of soil. I'm going to be repotting it, so I'm going to take off as much of the old soil that is in it. I'm going to cut off all these leaves that I see that has obvious damage, and then I am going to clean it up with my Captain's Jacks. Yeah, so let's begin. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is trimming these leaves. You see, yeah, you can tell that has thrip. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and start trimming those. Put them in the bag that it came in. It's a good thing it's nice and full, so once I trim those, I should still have some nice leaves left, and there's a lot of new growth coming in. Let me show you. There's a lot of new growth coming in. What I'm going to do as well is I am going to propagate it. I'm going to go ahead and propagate it, so just in case it doesn't make it, then I can still have some propagations to fall back on. So just getting rid of the leaves that looks really bad or infested. Makes no sense leaving them on. Now the top is looking a little bare but it's fine. I'm gonna repot it and make it look fuller there. Okay, see this long vine? Yeah, I'm gonna propagate it, definitely. Let's just get rid of the leaves that are not good. This one has some variegation on it. Nice. I almost don't want to. I'm not gonna cut it off. I'm just gonna cut off this part. Some of the damage is not caused by pests. You could tell it's like just physical damage. So I think that is it for what I'm going to be cutting off, because I do want to have some plant left. All right, so let me show you. So this is what I'm left with after I cut off all the damaged or infested leaves. And I'm going to be cutting these vines because it's very long, you can see, and propagating it, like, yeah, because they're very thick and hardy. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it up. Yeah, let's go. That is all the leaves that I cut off of it. So I'm gonna go ahead now and repot it before I do anything else. Look at the root system. Look at it. It needed to be repotted anyways. Yeah. But what I'm going to do is I'm not going to disrupt the root too much. What I'm going to do is actually remove the top of the soil and then just put it in fresh soil and a bigger, you know, a little bit bigger container. Like just up the, it's a what? It's a 6-inch now. I'm going to put it in an 8-inch. So yeah, so I'm going to remove the top portion. So I'm just going to use this to kind of get around the roots and not disturb them. Plus I don't want to put my hands in the soil, it's very wet still. And I need to get some new gloves. Look at that. At least it has a healthy root system. Once a plant has a healthy root system, it can bounce back. It can bounce back from almost anything. I think the worst thing that could happen to a plant is root rot. That will kill it in no time. And this was sitting in a lot of water. So it was definitely a rescue. And it's been raining a lot here. And it was outside. So the poor thing couldn't take any more water in it. Alright, so that's it. That's what I'm taking off. I'm gonna spray it down now. Look at that. Healthy roots. Okay, so I am now on my balcony floor. I'm gonna go ahead and start spraying it down, going through every single leaf and rubbing it with my hands. I have a video where I show you guys how I prepare my plants for my new plants for my collection. You could go ahead and check that out. I'll definitely link it in the description if you want to see like how I do just even regular plants. This one I'm taking extra precautions because I actually know that it has thrips and it's in a little bit bad shape, but essentially it's not different. Sometimes I do this in my bathroom, sometimes I shower them, so go ahead and check out that video. No, I know the roots are gonna get some more, like the topsoil is gonna get some more water, some of this, but that's fine because anything that's living on the top layer will die as well. So, but I'm gonna try not to get it too saturated. So once these leaves at the top are done, then it's just gonna be these ones down here.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
Okay, so I have finally found a pot after searching that's bigger than a 6-inch pot. So this is the pot I'm going to be putting it in. It has a drainage hole, so that's good. I have my mixture ready. Put a little piece of moss here.
Today's gonna be a good day.
It's all good done. See the water dripping off. It's very saturated, but it's going into dry soil, so I'm not gonna water it for a while. All right, there we have it. Just gonna fill it in. think that this pot complements it well. Beautiful greenish bluish tone. Alright. Beautiful. The sun is starting to come in here on my balcony, so I'm gonna have to go inside really quick. It's very hot. Alright, so there you have it. Okay, so it's very hot on my balcony, so I'm gonna go ahead and bring it inside, bring the party inside, where I'm gonna chop it up to propagate it and end off this video. All right, so I'm inside now. Look at it. It is, look how long it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and chop it up now and propagate it, and then I'm gonna just put in the cuttings back inside right here, and make it fuller at the top again. Yeah, so I mean, basically to chop it up, all I'm gonna be doing is cutting the nodes, and I'm gonna root them in water because I have more success with that. And then once they start to root, I'm gonna put it back inside. And make sure you're checking out your local Lowe's and your Walmart. I find that those they put their plants on clearance. Home Depot doesn't put their plants on clearance, so you could get some good deals. This was 50% off, so I got it for $9.48 instead of the $18.98 that it is. It came with a pot, so that's a win-win. And you know these are expensive, and I've always wanted a global green Pothos, so I have one now. All right, so I did cut it up, and this is what I'm left with. I just left this little vine. I probably should cut it up because it's giving me tiny leaves. Yeah, but look at it, not so full anymore. These are all the vines that I cut off. They were big and chunky, and I don't like my vines like that. So I'm gonna chop those up and put them in some water. And yeah, so this is where I'm gonna be keeping it. It's by itself, and it's right under a light. It's gonna stay there. Here are the propagations that I chop up. I'm actually gonna do something a little bit different. What I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be doing 2 sets of propagation. I'm gonna put some along here, and I'm gonna do some in the water and see if the ones that I put here will catch as well. So let's see. So I selected the leaves that are actually gorgeous and pretty, and I'm gonna put them back in the pot with these hook. All right, so there you have it. It looks a little bit fuller. See, I wrap around the vines and tuck them in with the pins, and I'm just gonna spray the top because the plant is already moist, but I want the top to be a little bit moist for the propagations. But look at it, that's what it looks like, and the propagations. All right, so I'll keep you updated. So make sure you're subscribed with your post notification turned on. Like this video, it helps me out a lot. Share it with someone you think might find it helpful. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.